Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Genesis G70. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Genesis is a steal with less than 2,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cruise control and anti-lock brakes. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motor Cars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.